Hello lovely people, Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. Do you have a problem with your memory? So let me show you what I mean. So if you go to about your Mac, if you go to storage, as you can see, available memory is only 123 gigabytes of 500, which this is strange. And you're thinking now, where is your memory? As you can see, my bin is empty. To fix this problem, it's very easy. So let's go back to about your Mac iOS. Let's go to storage and let's go to manage your storage. As you can see on the left side, this is all your memory that all your applications are using. So we have here documents of 309 gigabytes. So this is all the render files from your Final Cut Pro. So to delete these files, it's very simple. I'm going to show you now. So click on the documents and then click on the file browser and then click on the movie and then right click on utilities, show in Finder, and then right click again and then show package content. As you can see, this file here are all the memories. So we'll check now together. So right click, get info. As you can see, 300 gigabytes of files. So if you go to the folder and we'll go to render files, as you can see here, this is the files that we have to delete. So if you go inside, this is the files. This is all the files that we have to delete to get the memory back to our PC. We'll check again one more time. So right click, get info. As you can see, 300 gigabytes of memory. And now I'm going to delete all the render files from my PC. Right click, move to the bin. Voila. And now let's check the memory. But before that, make sure your bin is empty. If it's your first time here, consider subscribing. If this video is helpful, this is gonna mean a lot for me if you subscribe or like to this video. So let's check the memory together now. About the Mac storage, voila. As you can see, available memory now is nearly 500 gigabytes. So yeah, pretty useful. Make sure to follow me, subscribe and share for more cool videos. This is Stefan. I'm going to see you in my next video.